Okay, so we're going to do a drawing. We're going to do what's called an isometric. This is why an isometric is a very simple three-dimensional representation of an object or a building. And we're going to do the setup today, and then we'll do the drawing on Wednesday. So what I want you to do first is you would set up your title block. And you're 1 inch above the bottom. I'm just going to do a line marking off where that would be. And then 3 inches above the title block, I want you to do a line. That's a ground line. You can do this on just regular Xerox paper because we don't, we're going to put another piece of paper over the top of it next time. And then I want to find the center point of that line. So I'm going to take my scale. I'm going to take any even inches. I'm going to take 10. If I mark at the 5 point, that bisected my paper into a left and right section. So there I've got my line drawn. Isometric is drawn with a 30-60 triangle using the 30-degree angle, which is the shallower one. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to draw lines out from that center point to where it intersects. Now I want to draw a 3-inch cube. In an isometric drawing, normally in a perspective drawing, when you go off to the side, out this way, pieces get closer together. They're in true perspective. But in an isometric, everything's going to measure the exact same dimension. So we don't have that perspective. So I'm going to measure 3 inches up, and then 3 inches on both sides up. And I'm going to draw a cube. Okay, you all see my cube now, right? I'm going to erase this line so it doesn't confuse me. And you can do, if you do this on a piece of regular typing paper, you can do it darker, which might help you to see it. Now what I want to do is break this 3-inch cube, so all of these measure a full 3 inches, into 1-inch cubes. So how many 3-inch cubes are in a 1-inch cube?
3.
Cube.
27.
Yes, how'd you get that, Robert?
The length times the width times the height. So 3 by 3 by 3.
Right, so I've got 3. I've got 9 on this space, but I'm 3 deep, right? So 9 times 3. I'm going to draw mine in blue just so you can see it better. Hopefully you can see it better. And then you'll just do yours all in pencil, though. So what I want to do is now draw this so I break it up into 3-inch cubes. Does that show up? Maybe I'll do red. There you can see it. You would do yours in pencil. And then I need to break up the side. Okay? Does everybody see what I did? So this is one cube. I'm seeing 3 faces of it. This one I'm seeing 2 faces of the cube. This one I'm seeing 2. Here I'm seeing 2. Here I'm seeing 2. This one I'm seeing 1. 1. All of these I'm seeing 1. This one and this one I see 2 faces. And of these I see 1. You guys see that? Because it's going to come into play with our next assignment. Does everybody understand that?
Yes.
Okay, so what I need you to do is draw this for Wednesday. And I would just do it on regular typing paper with lines dark enough. And then I want you to find some kind of clear paper, not your vellum, because that's too expensive. So some kind of clear paper. I have lots of yellow trace here if you want to come here to the studio. I guarantee you if you come here and work on this assignment on Wednesday, it'll be easier than not being here. And we'll draw this on Wednesday. What we're going to do is we're going to end up deconstructing it. We're going to take some cubes away from it. But I need you to have the base first. All right?
What line weight should we use? Should this be guideline if we're taking away?
No, because you're doing this on a scrap piece of paper, and I'm going to put a piece of vellum on top of it.
Oh, I understand.
So you want it dark enough that you can see. I just did mine in red so you could see my cube divisions, but they should all be in graphite. We good? I'm wondering if I had done the other one 2 inches above. We'll do it 3 inches above. We good? So
Yes.
Okay, so this is your assignment for today. And I will put up the zoning in a little bit, and that will be due in like a week, week and a half. So not right away. And then whoever wants to come meet me, I'll be here on Wednesday morning. I've got something at 2:30 though. 2:30 to 3:30 I'm committed on Wednesday, but I'm here after that too. If you want to meet me to go over the schedule. If anybody wants to hang out after, I'll release you guys. We can talk about your class options. Any questions?
I don't think so, no.
Okay.
One for me.
Okay.